Hi, I'm Chris Savage from the channel. An update for the improvement of eyesight and also deleting disease from the eyes using a combination of magnesium oil and 99% Dmso. There's a lot of comments about how to do it and how good is it and so on. Some even saying that it doesn't work and so on. So I've done this video to help people to clear up all the confusion, and so that people do get results and improve their eyesight. Now, in the eyes there are muscles, and those muscles, just like any other muscle in the body, need magnesium. Of course, in the eyes, magnesium will cause a bit of stinging, but that's only the penetrating of magnesium. It's not doing any harm. The procedure to do this, to repair the eyes, at night, apply magnesium oil all over the body, and the best one to use is magnesium with boron. What I do is I just get 300 ml of water and put 2 teaspoons, got to be pure water, 2 teaspoons of borax, which is boron, dissolve that, and then add it to 1 litre of magnesium oil. So you end up with 1.3 litres. And that's the one I apply to the body at night. Legs, stomach, sides of the body and face. And what I do then is I keep the eyes closed and I apply it to the face, but then I also spray Dmso over the face. Not a lot, just enough to be sufficient for the coverage of the magnesium. And then you can rub it around with your hand if you want. That will help to spread it over the eyelids, because your eyes are closed at this stage. And then you blink. You blink a few times until the magnesium and Dmso enter the eye. And that's when you'll experience mild stinging. It might be a bit stronger than that, but it doesn't last very long. And then you go to sleep, because you want to keep your eyes closed. You don't want any more magnesium than what's needed. And in the morning, or even during the night, you might wake up. So that's because the magnesium on the body will start to detox the body. And when the magnesium runs out, because there's too much, the toxic level is too high, then you need to apply more magnesium with the boron onto the body. And you can even repeat the treatment of the face and eyes to go back to sleep again. And in the morning, when you wake up, there will be a lot of crusty material around the eyes. So you just wash it with water, pure water, dry it, and then you have improved eyesight. You repeat this process until your eyes are perfect. In my case, I had problems with short vision. Could not read the fine print on the labels in supermarkets to make sure I wasn't eating poison. I used to take a photo and enlarge it before. Now I can just read it because my eyes are perfect, both for long distance and for short. Because the eyes need magnesium, and the Dmso will get rid of all the glaucoma and the retina diseases, and also soften the lens. And it works. It's worked for me, and it's worked for many people. But you cannot just use Dmso. You've got to have the magnesium on the face first, then spray Dmso, and then blink to allow some to get into the eyes. And this will work for you. God bless and goodbye.